इहैकस्थं जगत्कृत्स्नं पश्चाद्य सचराचरम् मम देहे गुडाकेश यच्चान्यद्द्रष्टुमिच्छसि. O Gudakesha, conqueror of sleep, see the entire universe centered in one, the Chara and Achara, moving and unmoving, and whatever else you wish to see here in my body. He refers to Arjuna as Gudakesha, conqueror of sleep. Sleep means tamas. It is only when you overcome your tamasic guna, the tamasic quality in you, that you are able to see the magnificence in the world. Therefore, throughout the scriptures, he keeps saying, Uttishtha, get up. Jagrata, wake up. Wake up to your potential. Wake up to this fantastic creation. Wake up to the most amazing things that are happening within you. Wake up to the wonderful opportunity you have of evolving spiritually. Every morning, you must tell yourself this. You know, the problem is you recharge your, cell phone. You recharge all the other gadgets that you have. You never recharge your own mind. The mind needs recharging. Why does it need recharging? Because the whole day you are exposing yourself to negative thoughts. And the last nail in the coffin is the evening news. On TV, you watch the news, you feel like shooting yourself. Because everything negative comes. So you need to recharge your batteries. Otherwise you'll be, what do they say? My cell has died. We become dead to the world, and that's why. Gudakesha, this is a chance of a lifetime you have to get to the state of enlightenment. Use it. Don't let go of it. And what do you have to see? The entire universe centered in one. Chara and Achara. This is an idiomatic construction. The whole universe is conveyed in one word, Chara-chara. The moving and unmoving. That's all there is in the world. So this vision he will never have again. So in other words, if you want to evolve spiritually, you want to become a better human being, it has to be here and now. You must realize the urgency of it. If you don't do it now, it is never going to happen. You've seen people, forget spirituality. People say, oh, I need to lose weight. 15 years later, the lady is saying the same thing. Where is the weight? It's gone up, not down. Why? You know what happens? At every meal you say, oh, today my niece made this special dish. So I'll eat today, tomorrow onwards I'll do this. Diet. Then exercising. Today you wake up and say, but it's raining, how can I go for a walk? I'll go tomorrow. But that tomorrow never comes. So whatever you want to do, it has to be done here and now. Ihaikastham. Iha, here is what he is emphasizing. Verse